Good evening, everyone. John here. We got Apollo in the background, the little puppy dog. Um, Today, we're going to be talking about the market we've got going on and what exactly is happening. There's been quite a bit of changes lately. I've been waiting to really do an analysis for this month to come up, just so we could, because all the information comes in for the previous month, and so now we're getting the information from last month. And last month had a bunch of or the month before had a bunch of big changes, and so the market actually started to react last month. So yeah, let's just get into it. Uh, all right, so sales price, the median sales price for houses is dropping. So we went from in June, the median sales price here in Atlanta was 400,000. We've dropped down $10,000 on the median sales price. Okay. Let's see. The amount of homes that are on the market gone way up. So we've had 9,000 back in February. We're up to 17,000. We've almost doubled the amount of houses that are on the market since January, or sorry, February, and that just means you got a good bit more to pick from if you're looking to buy. Let's see, days on the market. Days on the markets, it's went up slightly in the past month. 7 days. Things are still staying on the market for about a week before they find a buyer. See the months of supply. This is where it gets really interesting. This is a giant leap that we're seeing here. This is a very large leap. And basically, what's happening is it takes into account how many people are buying, how many people are selling, and how many houses it's going to take, to meet the demand. So we've got a pretty good supply here. It's going way up, um, very quickly as well. Let's see, uh, percent of the original price. So back in May, just recently, we hit the all-time peak of houses being sold over asking, um, and the average was at 101.9%, which is that's a lot. So now we're back down at average people are paying asking. Um, so that's where we're at. Let's see, price per square foot. Uh, this is gonna go along right with the median sales price. It's gonna have about the same amount of a curve. Um, so yeah, the average price per square foot of a house in Atlanta is 186 dollars per foot per square foot. I'm sorry. Um, Shows to pending, that's gone way down. Back in March, back in April, people were getting 18 showings um, within a couple days before they were going pending. This has dropped quite a bit. Um, so houses, you don't have as much competition when you're buying right now. Um, let's see here. What else should we show? Um, Shows pending. We just did that. Shows per listing. Yeah, this is down as well. Um, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much where we're at. Um, that's just pretty much where we're at. The market's changing a lot. Houses are definitely sitting a little bit longer. They're not being grabbed up in the first day. They're lasting a whole week now. Um, um, but as well as there's not as many showings. Houses, aren't going way over asking. Um, on average, and buyers are having a little bit easier of a time. Um, it's looking good for the buying side. This is still looking good, great for the sellers as well. Um, but the market's definitely correcting itself now. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much where it's at. As always, if there's anything I can do for you, I'll add my phone number and everything on here for you. And yeah, please call me if there's anything I can do for you. All right. Catch you guys later.